Hello friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine and healthy. On daily basis I reviews the letters as it was my hobby writing letters before 20 years ago, and I used to write letters to pen pals, to different organizations, to NGOs, and in return I got lot of replies with informations. And today I want to share some information which some of you don't know, because there are so many countries on earth, and there are some people who don't know the names of the countries, and I have the collection, and I have a lot of those countries which someone may want to know, and I will read the names of all the countries according to alphabetically, and first let's start from A. These countries on the earth: Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Honduras, Angola, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belarus, Belgium, Belize, Benin, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria, Burkina Faso, Burma, Union of Myanmar, Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, Canada, Cape Verde, Central African Republic, Chad, Chile, China. There are some names which you never heard. So many countries: Colombia, Comoros, the Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Costa Rica, Cote d'Ivoire, Croatia, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Djibouti, Dominica, Commonwealth of Dominican Republic, Ecuador, so many countries. And here clip is to unlash so that Egypt, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Estonia, Ethiopia, Fiji Island, Finland, France, Gabon, Gambia, Georgia, Germany, Georgia, Ghana, Greece, Grenada, Guatemala, Guinea-Bissau, Guyana, Haiti, Holy See, Honduras, Hungary, Iceland, India, Iran, Ireland, Indonesia, Israel, Italy. I am reading the names of countries, and you imagine that there are some names you don't know before. Jamaica, Japan, Jerusalem, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kiribati, Korea, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Latvia, Lebanon, Lesotho, Libya, Liechtenstein, very difficult to pronounce, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Macedonia, Madagascar, this is the country, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mali, Malta, Marshall Islands, Mauritania, Mauritania. Difficult pronunciations of the words. Mauritius, Mexico, Micronesia, Moldova, Monaco, Mongolia, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Nauru, Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Palau, Panama, Papua New Guinea, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland. Continue to listen with me. The names of the countries are available present on the earth. Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Russian Federation, Rwanda, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, Samoa, San Marino, Sao Tome and Principe, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Slovakia, Slovenia, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Africa, Spain. If I mistake in pronunciation, please pardon me. If you are living in that country, you can pronunciate in proper way. Okay. And then Sri Lanka, Sudan, Suriname, Swaziland, Sweden, Switzerland and Swaziland, different. Syria, Tajikistan, Tanzania, Thailand. Togo, Tonga, Kingdom of Trinidad and Tobago. Tunisia, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Tuvalu, Uganda, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United States, Upper Volta, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu, Venezuela, Vietnam, Yemen, Yugoslavia, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and these are the some of the countries present in this world. There are some other countries not listed here, and I think that there are some countries you have never heard about, and you get a knowledge from this video, and I was willing to share this information with you, and I am hopeful that you find this information useful, and if you find useful, then please write below in comment box, and pardon me because there is a mistake in pronunciations of the countries. There are very difficult names of the countries which I also have never heard about, and when first time I read the names of those countries, it makes me difficult to pronounce in proper way. So if you are living in that country, you can understand in proper way. Allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you will find the notification of other video. Thank you, bye bye. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel.